Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arswal, associate with Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I'm gonna discuss with you what is currency scams in India or abroad. What is basically the term currency scam means. So let's start the discussion without any delay. These currency scams are basically refers to the practice of determining the value of the currency in the nearby future. The determining of the value is not basically based on is not based on any firm evidence, though according to a report, trend and progress of banking in which was being in India, which was being released by the Reserve Bank of India, published by the Financial Express in the year of January in the month of January of 2019. It was alleged that the banks have lost around 41,168 crore rupees in financial year of 2018, which shows a total number of 72% rise from what was in 2017. The reason behind this rise is the fraud against the currency scams, and the report cited that fraud have turned out to be a major concern, with a 90% of such cases in the credit portfolio of banks, with the major chunks of fraud being concentrated in off-balance sheet operations, foreign exchange transactions, deposit accounts, and cyber security. So I hope you're pretty much clear with what is currency scams. See you on the next video with some more information.